Flexible sprinkler hoses are designed to deliver water from the building's water supply to the sprinkler head. They are made of a flexible material such as stainless steel or braided polymer, allowing them to bend and adjust to various installation scenarios. One of the primary advantages of flexible sprinkler hoses is their flexibility, which allows for easier installation in spaces with complex layouts, tight corners, or areas where rigid pipes cannot be easily adjusted. This flexibility simplifies the installation process and can reduce labor costs. Compared to traditional rigid piping systems, which often require extensive cutting, threading, and welding, flexible sprinkler hoses typically require less labor and fewer materials for installation. This can result in cost savings for building owners and contractors. Flexible sprinkler hoses are designed to withstand movement and vibration, making them ideal for use in areas prone to seismic activity or in buildings where structural movement is expected. High-quality flexible sprinkler hoses are manufactured to meet stringent industry standards for durability and reliability. They are tested to withstand high water pressure and temperature fluctuations, ensuring they perform effectively in the event of a fire. Flexible sprinkler hoses are relatively easy to maintain compared to rigid piping systems. They can be inspected visually for signs of damage or wear, and damaged hoses can be replaced without the need for extensive rework or disruption to the building's operations. It's important to note that the use of flexible sprinkler hoses must comply with relevant building codes and standards, such as those set forth by the National Fire Protection Association, NFPA, and local regulatory authorities. Compliance ensures that the fire protection system is designed and installed to meet the required safety standards. Thank you and subscribe Pneucons.